Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a Telegram bot. So you type in a search bar at bot father, and here you go, you choose this option right here, and here you click on begin, so start. It's a bot without coding, so it's really easy to set it up. So you can get your controls in here if you want. And you can send like my bots. I have no bot, so let's set one up. Create a new bot. It's going to call Find Your Solution, for example. So let's do FYS bot. FYS bot YouTube 123. FYS 123 bot. So that must be it. Yeah, here we go. So I added my bot, and I can now even add a description, a profile picture, and I can easily just insert the access token, but I need to keep it safe from you actually, guys, but I'm not going to use it, so it's okay. So, and here you see the list of comments we have. So let's set comments, and here you go. So this is really how to create a bot. It's really easy. You can insert it into your channel. Also, I can make a further video on that if you want to. Please leave a like and leave in the description if you want to see a next video. Thank you.